Hello to James, Roman, Sterling, Winnie, and Cleo. Well, today I'm going to tell a little story about a big dog. It's Scooby-Doo. Another Scooby-Doo. Well, this one is about a dog named Scooby. Looks like he's going up on a raft, up the river, or maybe down a waterfall. Looks like it's going to be an adventure. So I am going to tell you the story. There's some he's in the story, like Scooby and Shaggy are a he. And we will be reading this together. Yes, it's an adventure. Don't know if there's a mom in the story. There's Velma. I don't think she is a mom. We'll probably find the word was in the story. Are. I don't think there's any happy birthdays in this story. We'll find the word not. Sure, we'll find the word day. Me. Now we will almost always in everything we read see the word a, well, probably the word after, and the word before. I'm sure the word and is in the book. Out. This is an outdoor adventure. No. Probably in there. Were. Don't think there's a dad in this story. In. Oh, and here's the different twos we'll see. We're going to read a story. There are at least two people in the story, and it looks like there's almost too many people in this raft. So, as always, I love you. Now, what is this book? It is a story about the Raging River Adventure. Raging River Adventure. All right, let's read. Can't figure out what that is. Maybe we can tell them. Well, here we have Scooby and Shaggy. They look a little scared. All right. Daphne's cousin, Dash Blake, invited the gang to come river rafting. He wanted them to try out his new invention. I can always count on you and your friends to help me, Daphne, he said. That's his friend, Daphne. Dash gave the gang a quick tour of his invention shop. Shaggy and Scooby soon got into trouble. "Whoa!" cried Scooby. "Like, how do we top this crazy thing?" said Shaggy. Look what they did. They inflated that raft. All right, here they are by the river. They're wearing their life jackets. Oh, where's Shaggy's? On the way to the river, Shaggy looked for his life jacket. "Like, I think I might have left my life jacket at home," said Shaggy. "Not to worry," said Dash. "Here comes my assistant Mason. You can borrow his life jacket. Oh, there they are all on this raft. Out on the river, the raft raced down the rapids. Oh, you didn't tell us what was so special about this raft, said Fred. Oh, you'll see when we get to the waterfall, replied Dash. Zoinks, cried Shaggy. Like, did he just say waterfall? Oh, we're out of here. Oh, look at that big waterfall. In a blink of an eye, they were at the waterfall. Here we go, said Dash. Hold tight. Ah! Shaggy screamed. With a push of a button, wings popped out, and the raft gently floated down the side of the waterfall. Oh, look at these wings. But suddenly, out of nowhere, a phantom eagle. Oh, that's what there was, a phantom eagle. It soared and swooped in. Like, please tell us that's part of the invention, said Shaggy. I don't know what that is, said Dash. Jeepers, said Daphne. It looks like it's headed right towards us. The phantom eagle tried to bite Shaggy. Like, get away, you feathery creep, said Shaggy. Look at that. He's trying to bite Shaggy. He's an awfully big bird. Back on the shore, the gangs examined what was left of Shaggy's life jacket. Like, who makes life jackets out of feather and paper, said Shaggy. That's odd. That's not any paper, said Velma. That's a blueprint for Dash's new invention. That was inside the life jacket. The next day, the gang went to buy a new life jacket. Hey, look there. There's Mason. That's weird. It looks like he's buying out the store. Mason raced across the store to talk to the gang. Just looking at what's new for next season, he said. Later that day, the gang helped Dash repair the raft. I just don't get it. Who would want to ruin me, said Dash. Mason said my latest raft is all people are talking about. As luck would have it, said Daphne. We've solved a mystery or two before. Dash and splash. As Dash and the gang finished the repair, the phantom eagle dove at them. Like, here comes that flying ghost again, said Shaggy. There's no time to lose, said Fred. Run! Dash and the gang ran for cover in his invention shop. We'll be safe here, he said. Inside the shop, Shaggy and Scooby had some fun. Jeepers, said Daphne. Watch it with the water balloons. Look at that. They're playing with water balloons. Meanwhile, Fred spotted a hot air balloon raft. If that balloon flies, said Fred, we can chase and catch that phantom. Dash, Shaggy, and Scooby were the bait. Oh, Scooby and Shaggy are almost always the bait in these adventure stories. Okay. Like this time, I'm happy to be riding the rapids, said Shaggy. There's no way I want to be flying anywhere near that weird bird. There's that weird bird again. As the raft went over the falls, an eagle's screech could be heard across the canyon. A moment later, the phantom eagle was swooping down on them. Zoinks! Cried Shaggy. Duck! Wow, it's coming right at them. The Phantom Eagle was getting a little too close, but the rest of the gang floated down in time to save the day. Ready, set, go, said Fred. Start throwing your water balloons. Oh, look at they have water balloons to throw at the eagle. Aha, that's how we're going to get them. With each hit, the Phantom Eagle lost more and more of its feathers. It quickly fell into the river. Dash, Shaggy, and Scooby were waiting on shore to pull it out. So see, it fell right out of the sky, zoop, 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 right into the river. The blueprint and feathers in your life jacket gave you away, Mason, said Velma. How? Wait a minute. Did I miss a page? Okay, splash into the river. All right, so Velma says, the blueprint and feathers in your life jacket gave you away, Mason, said Velma. How could you steal from me? Asked Dash. I knew I could be rich and famous if I stole your ideas, said Mason. It would have worked, too, if it weren't for these meddling kids. So look at when the eagle, Phantom Eagle, fell, it broke off, and they saw that it was Mason was flying that Phantom Eagle. Dash gave the gang a big bear hug. Daphne, he said, you and your friends really helped me out. How can I ever thank you? Shaggy led the gang towards Dash's invention shop. Like I can think of a way, said Shaggy. I'll bet it has to do with food. Let's see. Yep. Now, this is my kind of invention, said Shaggy, as they floated down the river. And look what they're doing. They're barbecuing, they're eating steaks and hot dogs and marshmallows. Yep, they love their food. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. And that is our story today. So, I hope you enjoyed today's story and that you are having a wonderful day. And I love you all. Mwah. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.